The function f is continuous for -4 to 4. The graph of f shown above consists of 5 line segments. What is the average value of f on this interval? So the way that I'm going to calculate average value here is I'm going to look at each of these 5 segments separately, and we are going to then multiply it by the length of each segment. So for example, here, the average value is 1/2, right, between 0 and 1. So it's 1/2 times a length of 1, right? It's gone across by 1. Plus, then we have this segment, and our average value is going to be right here in the middle, which is -1/2, and that spans across 1, 2, 3. Then we have this, which has an average value of -1/2 again, which spans only 1. Then we have this segment, which has an average value of 1 right in the middle, which spans 2. And last but not least, we have an average value of 1.5 or 3/2, which spans a length of 1 across. And now we can add these up and we'll get our answer. So we have 1/2 minus 3/2 minus 1/2 plus 2 plus 3/2. -3/2 cancels out with 3/2, 1/2 cancels out with -1/2, and we're left with 2. So when we're trying to get average value of a function, the formula for average value is 1/b minus a times the integral of the function from a to b. So the integral here is going to be the area between the curve and the x-axis. So let's first look at this area. So the blue regions are positive, the red regions are negative. So these two together, that's 1/2 and 1/2. That's going to be an area of 1. Here we have a 2x2 triangle, which is going to give me an area of -2. This is a 1x2, which gives me an area of -1. Over here, we have another 2x2 right triangle, which gives me an area of 2. And then we have a 1/2 and 1, so another 1.5. So we're going to add all this up, and then we're going to multiply it by 1/b minus a. So 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1.5 is 4.5, and then we got -3 down there. So we're minusing 3, and we got 1.5, which is also equivalent to 3/2. And then we have to multiply this by 1/b minus a. Now, b is the end of the interval, a is the beginning. So 1/4 minus 4, or 4 minus -4, excuse me, which turns into a positive, and that is 8. Last but not least, 1/8 times 3/2 is 3/16, which means B is the winner. Done.